Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try navy blue shirt with cream pants and white sneakers. Next you can try cream t-shirt with black pants and cream loafers. Next you can try green and white printed shirt with white pants and cream and white sneakers. Next you can try black shirt with blue jeans and cream and blue sneakers. Next you can try yellow printed half sleeve shirt with grey pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white double pocket shirt with black jeans and black boots. Next you can try tan shirt and pants with tan sneakers. Next you can try white polo t-shirt with grey pants and brown loafers. Next you can try white oversized t-shirt with grey jeans and grey sneakers. Next you can try white polo t-shirt with black pants and black sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 polo t-shirt outfit ideas.